guys, we're back. Welcome to another live stream. Live NQ trading. I'm rushing a little bit today. I've got my levels ready, so I am unprepared, and I've got 15 minutes to get ready here. So just bear with us a second before I get to these levels. Yeah, another internet problem by the looks of it, like we got yesterday. How's everyone today? Just give it a second, alright? Yesterday we got the F1C complete loaded. I'm kind of glad I didn't trade that yesterday. The complete load, I kind of thought I was going to take I had a feeling yesterday that F1C was going to be a joke. Yes, Connor. How's it going, mate? I love that Arsenal game, pal. That was amazing. What a performance, isn't it? What a performance. Unbelievable. Best decision United have made so far since Alex Ferguson was appointed Michael Carrick. That's what I'll say. It's okay though. I'm a bit disoriented. I was running late today. Just getting everything up and ready. Hello, hello. Yeah, no. I think you can hear me now. Alright, guys. That should be alright, I think. That should be fine now, innit? Alright, guys. We're a couple of minutes away from the open here. Yeah, that's fine. Alright. Let's see what happens here now. Look at this, guys, yeah? The NQ has resisted here about 8 times off that level of 26k and finally broke out and back tested. So it would be a bit strange for it to come back inside again. So I'm kind of expecting this to kind of hold and then move to all-time highs. That's what I'm kind of expecting here. It would be very unusual for this to just backtest and then slide back straight back inside. Yesterday we had the FOMC. It was a complete dud that I expected. I didn't trade it. Good thing is Lucid. I was down $500 on Lucid because of the outage yesterday on TraderVate, and they were able to reinstate the balance, so that was good. That was nice of them. All right, so let's see what we've got today. Let's see what we've got. We're opening inside previous day of value. Okay, so I'm kind of expecting this previous day lows to get taken at some point here, because we are opening inside value. Let's see here. Just move this. All right. Yeah, so this would be really nice, in my opinion. If we take previous day lows into the value area low of this week, then we hold this and then we move higher. I think that's the only trade that I'm interested in today. There is a trade here as well. Okay, we'll just have to monitor the order flow. So we could come down here, hold and move higher. So it could be an inside day. That would be quite unusual because we have got a catalyst today, haven't we? We've had what's this? We've had jobless claims. Let me see where they've come in. Initial jobless claim 209, so a little bit higher than expected, but not too crazy. Whilst continuous jobless claims 1.827, so that's actually come down. So yeah, economy is actually holding up. The jobs data is getting better by the looks of it. I mean, obviously NFP next week is going to be a big one. NFP next week will be a big one. All right, we are open, and I'm getting latency issues here. That's not good. Okay. Right, ES is a lot more bullish than NQ, isn't it? And yesterday and today, just internet issues, huh? Trader rate was down. My stream was down. Not been good, has it? Not been good. ES made an all-time high yesterday. So what are you guys in the chat feeling? You trading? Not trading? Sitting out, waiting for a level? What you waiting for? Let me know. What in the blue hell is going on here today? Yeah, my order flow software is having latency issues. Feed. All right. Yeah, I'm having latency issues here, guys. A lot of internet issues in the last couple of days. All right, got it back. Yeah. All right, so we're getting close to taking out the low here on NQ. So I'm just waiting now. So it seems like from the message of Powell yesterday, I didn't really watch the press conference, but it seems like they're not in favor of any further rate cuts, huh? That's what I kind of read on there. But there's no more rate cuts in store for 2026. I don't know how much I want to believe that. I'm sure when the new guy comes in for Trump, he's going to pressure the new person to he's going to obviously he's going to want to go in there and appoint a new guy with some assurances that they're going to cut rates, surely, right? We'll see. Anyways, Connor, what's happening, mate? You alright? Yeah, of course we enjoyed the Arsenal game. That was amazing. Don't say that to K-Dog though. K-Dog's an Arsenal supporter. He's gonna stop coming into the stream if you talk too badly about Arsenal. So me and K-Dog are coming up with soon. Anyways, he's on it already, but we're gonna be trading 10 funded Apex accounts, and we're gonna try and take them to payout and get 20k a month from 10 accounts. That's the aim. That's what we're gonna do. All right, we're selling off here. So we're watching this level here right now, but the tape still looks quite heavy to the downside. Tape is still heavy to the downside. Yeah, NQ going for those previous day lows. Really nice sell-off here. Let's see what kind of a sell-off this will drop will be. Oof, 350 point drop. Yeah. How much have we dropped so far during NY session so far? 189, 200 points. Damn. Steep drop this, isn't it? SPX is dropping. All right, so it's getting some support before the previous day lows. Yeah, this is super bearish here, guys. Yeah, this tape is seriously heavy to the downside. Damn, so many shorts are coming in. But we might get support here. I wouldn't be surprised to see some support. We might start seeing some support. Still heavy, the tape, to the downside. Hey Zohib, how are you doing, bro? How's it going? Nice to see you in here, bro. You good, yeah? Life in Dubai is good, brother. It's alright. Not too bad. It's perfect weather right now here as well. It's really nice. Nice to see you back in here, trying to learn how to trade. I've been live streaming for for a few weeks now. All right, NQ's taking out the previous day lows here. Whereas ES up, still a long way to go. Yeah, thanks, bro. Really enjoying it, yeah. I've been really enjoying the process. Okay, NQ has swept the previous day lows. It looks like it might get a small bounce here. No, it doesn't look like it's getting any kind of bounce. Let's get an order ready because it's coming to our level now. Yeah, be very careful here, guys. This is a wild sell-off, so you don't want to be oversizing here. This is a really dangerous day. A very, very dangerous day here. Alright, so ES has lost the value area low here. And NQ is coming down towards it. Let's see where QQQ is. Yeah. Yeah, the order book is just completely not there. Alright, we're at the value area low now. Still no reaction. This is a wild sell-off. Is there any news here, guys? If you find anything, make sure you post it in the chat. Because this doesn't seem like a normal sell-off. All right. The hell is this? All right, I am going long here, guys. Yeah. So size down, this is a very risky trade. Very, very risky trade. This is not going to be an easy trade here, guys. I don't know what the hell is going on with TradingView, by the way. I don't know what is going on with TradingView here, guys. This is not making any sense at all. Yeah, you're waiting, yeah? Yeah, I don't blame you for waiting. But my setup's here, so I have to take it. Whatever it's going to be. I have to take the setup. It was mapped out pre-market. I mapped the level. If it pays, it pays. If it doesn't, we move on. Alright, getting a bounce. Alright, that's pretty nice. Nice reaction. Okay, beautiful. Really nice. Really, really nice bounce. Keep going here. Beautiful. Really beautiful. Keep going. Got a lot of liquidity to the upside, so I expect continuation here. I expect some continuation here, guys, to the upside. There's a lot of liquidity resting above us. 60 points on here. Let's go, let's run it. Let's go. Let's go, baby, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going, Bulls. Let's go. They're back in the game here. Bulls are back in the game. They're back in the game. Let's go. There's a trade at least to 85. At least to 85 here. Retracing here. Oof, really nasty rejection. Yeah, really nasty. It's a very, very nasty market today. Very, very nasty market. Yeah, this is not going to give us what we want. I'm going to get out of this. Should have took it off, to be honest, but yeah, it is what it is. Oh, man. What the fuck is going on with trading here? Let's see if they've got real intention of taking this market down. Retesting value area low. I will jump back in this if there's no real intention of taking this market any lower. I'm gonna jump back in this. Yeah, this is selling heavy. Really heavy selling. Well done, Tiki. This is some really weird selling here, guys. This is a really weird market today. What the hell is going on with this? Oh, we'll level all the way down to 805. Man, that's going to be a steep. I'm jumping back in here, guys. I still think this level is going to support. I really do. What's going on, Team Crypto? Yeah, I think this level is going to support, man. It's really surprising to me that 26k is going to get taken out. And we're going to start trading back lower. After taking, 3 months to crack that level. We took 3 months to crack the level. Surely this is not going to sell off. Is it? Long DS, well done, mate. 5 minutes to a new candle open. New 30-minute candles opening in 5 minutes. I think this is going to run, guys. I really do. The selling's looking like it's slowing down. Ignore this on the screen here, guys. It's not real trade. This is a real trade. Team Crypto's long ES. The hell is going on with this market today? Surely you cannot sell off. Your overall bias is bearish. I'm not bearish on the market. I think we are going to recover this sell-off at some point. It's just a matter of when, in my opinion. I think the next 30-minute candle might propel this market higher. Just the book is so thin. It's easy for them to move the market. Yeah, we're gonna have to scratch out this. Right, still selling off. Just reload this bit. ES took previous day lows as well. Okay, new 30-minute candle has opened. Get rid of this. All right. Yeah, there's something weird going on here today, isn't there? Yeah, doesn't look normal, the sell-off. There's something going on. Oof, wow. Alright, I'm gonna take a scalp here if I can get filled. Yeah, I'm gonna take this. Yeah, I know. I've seen this tape as well. This tape is wild. What's the VIX doing? Oof, wow. Yeah, this is nasty. Earnings? What do you mean taking earnings? We're gonna get the big sell-off day today. Looks like the big sell-off day, isn't it? Well, we're down 1.8% on the day. Should have took profits at that 60 points. Fucking shit. Bulls are trying to come in. They're getting absorbed at the minute, but I think they're going to push a little bit through here. Back to the upside. We've had like a 400 point sell-off in one candle. That's not normal. Now you get through 810, we should be alright for further continuation. CV is trying to flatline. Come on, keep pushing. We've got to bounce to... Probably not going to get there, is it? Alright, they're adding some liquidity to the upside, so this should be alright. I'm looking for a move back up to 915. It doesn't look like it's gonna give us anything, does it? They're selling off again. CVD is flatlining though. So this should push a little bit higher. Now this is a crazy sell-off here, guys. Crazy. Convenient when you all of you guys jump in. We get the sell-off. It's like you guys knew. Connor's come in, so Abe's come in. It's like you guys knew there was going to be a sell-off when you came in today. Come in on the worst day. The moment we stop crushing it, you come in. Isn't that funny? Yeah, this is not looking good. It's not looking too good. Well, bulls are getting stronger. Bulls are getting stronger here. I still think this is going to finish and close above 26k today. That's my prediction. I think the NQ will finish above 26k. Unless there's a catalyst and Trump comes up with some bullshit later. I think we're going to be all right. Yeah, CBD is looking a bit more bullish now. There's got to be some icebergs here, because there's not a lot of shorts in the book. Longs are trying their best. All right. Right, are you going to give us some, a market? Doesn't look like you are, is it? Yeah. Almost more downside, wow. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of this trade. This is not looking too good. Now still moving down. ES is also moving down. Wow, ES is, damn. Where's SPX? 69.19. Alright, now it's bouncing. Okay, let's see how much I can get out of this one. So I think we've lost about 80 points today of those two trades, of those two losses. Let's see if I can make about 80 points on this. That's what I'm aiming for, about 80 points on it. You clearly see the market is trying to bounce from this level though. We are wrong from the right place at least. I don't mind. I don't mind being wrong from the right place. I'm picking the levels. We got that. We got this bounce, right? We got this bounce. We just didn't take profits. That was like a 100-point bounce. Should have took it off at that point. Crazy day. Yeah, I'm out of that trade as well. Yeah, 700 K-Dog, you're probably right. That is the previous week point of control. So it probably will bounce from there. Fucking convenient that I don't have my gamma levels today as well, isn't it? Of all days today, I didn't get the gamma levels. Where's SPX 6900? Let's mark out 6900. That's going to be an obvious level on SPX. This thing better get out of previous week value area high. This is a key level. Let's mark this out. It's gonna be screwed if it doesn't. I'm gonna jump in along here, guys. Yeah, I'm long. Okay, let's get a bounce. Okay, market's trying to bounce here. Right. That's a better bounce. Let's go. Keep going, market. Spoofing orders now. Shorts are spoofing. I lost about 120, no, about 110 points today on the Nasdaq. Let's see if we can recover this. We definitely got an opportunity to recover it, because we are going to get a big bounce at some point here. $8.37. It has to get out of here. It has to close above 8.37. I kind of has to get out there pretty quickly. Because if it doesn't, it's going all the way down to here. So I'm expecting the market to get out of here quite quickly. Back above 8.37. I think the market will get up above there pretty soon. I got about 65 points so far on this. $70 odd. Should you stop if you're up? Maybe, man. Or maybe you want to trade. I don't think it's a bad day to trade. I think a long opportunity is coming very, very soon. This could be it. This could be that big monster long here. Yeah, I think you should keep going as well. Because I'm expecting the market to bottom here pretty soon. I think we can definitely recover those 110 points lost. Definitely think we can recover them. If it gets above 8.37, I think it's going to fly. Send it, some Team Crypto. It's gonna bottom soon. There's no way they're gonna be able to hold this down for too much longer. I don't think so, anyways. I think NQ is gonna close above 26k today. I really do. I'm not really sure what's spooking this market. Did Powell say anything? Because I didn't watch that FOMC yesterday. I'm not really sure what he said. Maybe it touches 700, maybe it does, maybe it doesn't, maybe it front runs it. Maybe everybody's waiting for 700 and it doesn't go there. What if that happens? We just don't know. We just don't know. It's a wild market. It's a very, very wild market. Five minutes until another 30-minute candle. Evo, yeah. I blew my Lucid Evo. That's alright. Happens. As long as you didn't blow a funded, it should you're good, man. That's the most important thing. I don't know. I didn't check. Maybe it is after what happened yesterday with trader weight. Might be down, yeah. But they reinstated everybody's balance from yesterday. Nonetheless, I still ended up blowing it today. Come on, get above 837. Let's rock it. Oh, short's coming in though. Market is struggling to get above that 837, isn't it? Three minutes until the new 30-minute candle opens. Yeah, they're sending it down, straight down again. Yeah, we're gonna have to jump out. Looks crazy again. Okay, just wait a minute. Damn, silver got crushed as well, huh? Everything's getting smashed today. Look at Bitcoin. Oof. 85k. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Silver's down over 7%. Gold is down as well. Over 4% today. Let's just wait until this new 30-minute candle opens. Thanks fucking Spot Gamma. Pricks. Not fucking loading the website. Alright, new 30-minute candle just open. Yeah, it still looks like it wants to sell. Damn, guys, damn. This is a really crazy sell-off today. All right, we're at the 700s, still selling. Can we get another 300, 400 point sell-off today? That would be mental. Where's that box I drew? Okay. Thursday as well today, isn't it? All right. There is a bit of a reaction here from the bulls. I want to jump in here. Let's see. I'm more confident that this is going to give us a bigger bounce. Yeah. I can see a bounce to about 850. He's taking out all these shorts. Hello, Hitman. I'm from the UK. VIX is 19 now. Let's take a look at the VIX. Look at this thing. Alright, ES is at a very crucial level. SPX is broken 6900. Yeah, ES is at a very crucial level here. 6925. Can ES get a big bounce? Let's stack some the daily profile on here. Right. Okay, I'm watching ES here because it's a very crucial level on ES. Let's see if ES can bounce. We've got some liquidity to the upside. Maybe the bulls will clear some liquidity higher. Still no bounce on NQ. Market is long squeezing. But ES is trying to bounce off 69.25. I think there's going to be a big bounce here, guys. I really do. Yeah, I think we're going to sit back and just wait. I think there is going to be a big bounce. This thing is just making us panic. Yeah, still selling. Crazy. Is there news? Is there news? Bulls are getting squeezed. Let's see where we've got the single prints today. We'll have single prints. Yeah, single prints are way above those 837s. This is just a crazy sell-off. $700, 600 points nearly. Where are we on the bands? Four standard deviations oversold. Damn. I haven't seen that in a while. Did not see this sell-off coming. That's for sure. Okay, so we've got a lot of shorts right now at 635. So if this market can get above 635, there is a chance that we can squeeze these shorts back to the upside. Yeah, you're trying to long again? Yeah. Yes, yeah. Yeah, they're defending those shorts. They're not trying to get squeezed here. I think ES has a shot of a V-shaped recovery. Definitely to come and fill some single prints. Remember I said there were some single prints from a few days ago that were unfilled here. Where were they from? Was it these ones? Man, it might have been these. Yeah, 755. Those were unfilled. These were unfilled. Here we came and filled them. Move this out of the way. Yeah, those were the unfilled single prints. That row of single prints there. That was from Monday. Yeah, the bulls got to get above 630 if they're going to try and squeeze some shorts here. Right now they're unable to. The next level of support is 530. Still pushing down here, the market. Give us a sec. Yeah, 530 is the next level I'm looking a possible long trade. Yeah, crypto's getting killed right now. Wow. Look at these altcoins, they're making new lows. Wow. Damn. Wow. This is wild. Alright, so we got singles back at 850s. Looking for a trade from 530 back up to 700s. Possible long from here. Let me see. I'll have to have a very big stop on it though. I'll have to be at least a 70-point stop. With the way the ATR is, it's massive. But it'll still be nice though. Still over a 2-to-1 risk to reward. Get it ready. I'm kind of hoping it happens in the next 30-minute candle, not this one. Don't front run me. Damn, so QQQ almost made an all-time high, huh? Almost, yeah, it's double topped. Getting sold like crazy right now. Maybe it's coming to fill this gap from Wednesday, 21st of Jan. Mark this out. QQQ down over 2.76% on the day. ES is a bit stronger. S&P is down a percentage and a half, no big deal there. I jumped in on the long again. Let's see if this can give us the short squeeze that Tiki is talking about. This will be a move to 700. That's what I'm looking for. Lost about probably about 150 points on the day. Blue at Lucid, eval. Let's see if we can recover some of these points though. VWAP is way up there, 980s, damn. Strong delta coming in by the bulls here. I've seen this before and we got sold off, but this is looking very strong. Yeah, this is the strongest delta I've seen so far coming by bulls. Let's see if they can hold up. Yeah, really strong. $550 to 700 would be about 150 points. So I'll probably recover all of the losses if I can get this TP to 700. We've got a new 30-minute candle coming up in a minute. In 1 minute, we have a new 30-minute candle. So yeah, if I can get a 150 point move here, I've basically recovered 150 points of losses, aside from the blown Lucid account. So let's see if we can get this move back to the upside. New 30-minute candle just opened. This looks decent. Yeah, just release the spring, guys. Come on. Come on, bulls. Release the spring. This is just gonna catapult to the upside at some point. Let's make that happen right now. This should be it, because the shorts are really tapering off. They're not as strong. Yeah, the shorts are definitely not as strong here. Oh, they're starting to come in again. It's crazy. It's really not going to give us anything today, is it? This thing. This market doesn't want to give us anything today. Call us crazy for longing. Call us crazy. We are a bunch of crazy traders. Go now. Or are you going to just absorb more longs and come straight back down? Wow. This is fucking wild. Unbelievable. Yep, gonna have to get out again, I think. Yeah, we're gonna have to get out again. This is looking again heavy. Okay, step back in. Yeah, we're gonna have to be very defensive on these sell-offs. We're looking for a monster move to the upside. Gonna have to be very, very defensive here. Bulls are trying here. They're trying to bottom. Yeah, this is wild, guys. Man. Yeah, we're gonna have to scratch out again. This is fucking crazy. Will it hit the 530s this time? No. Front running again. Nothing here, guys. This market's giving us nothing. Every move to the upside is just getting sold. Literally every move to the upside is getting sold off. Give us a 700, come on. At 598, 600, into the 600s. Come on, keep going. Don't look back now. Go Bulls. Looking for a move to 700. I've lost about 170 points, so let's see if you can recover some of this. Into the 620s. Another pullback, crazy. Wow, another pullback, can you believe that? What in the blue hell is this, man? CVD is actually really bullish right now, really bullish. It should give us the bounce I'm looking for. Alright, 630 is coming up. Let's get some of these points back. Keep going. Don't stop here. Keep going. If you can get above these 630s, that's where all the shorts have come in. We can squeeze the hell out of these shorts now. Let's go. Let's get above those 630s. Yeah, 650s now. We're into the 650s. Yeah, nice. This is the bounce I was looking for. Fucking finally. Squeezing those 630 shorts from earlier. Fucking finally got a bounce. Alright, we're up about 100 points on this. Come on, goes to that 700 hit. Don't give us another fucking pullback. Go and take those single prints at 720s. Right, they're adding some liquidity to the upside. This should keep going. We're up 105 points here. Alright, beautiful. Alright, we're in short squeeze mode now. Shorts are trying to come in. Shorts are trying to come in here. At this level, yeah, they're protecting this level. They are protecting this level. Well, there's a lot of shorts on the order book, so this should keep going. This should keep going here. Low hanging fruit at the 690s. Hope the bulls don't slow down here. Come on, let's keep going. Keep pushing. Don't stall out. Keep pushing, bulls. 670s now. Yeah, keep going. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful push into the 680s. Alright, we're getting a pullback, so I'm gonna scratch out. I don't want to get hurt on that. Recovered about 90 odd points, so we're down about 80. That singles all the way to 714. Still down about 60 points ish on the day. That's okay. I'm alright with that. Yeah, market's probably still going to keep going here. Let's see what ES bounced off. ES back above 69.25. It's going for its single prints as well. SPX back above 6900. Okay. Yeah, really beautiful bounce. Really beautiful bounce. Let's see if we can push into the 700s. call it anchored V bar. Here. A bars pattern. Anchored V bar. What the fuck, man? Alright. There you go. There's that big bounce now. 700s. Into the 700s, squeezing those 630 shorts. Really, really squeezing them. We've got easy move up to 794 here. Singles filled on NQ, but they're not filled on the ES yet. Bulls are in the house. They're back. And they're pissed. Oh, go Bulls, man. Go Bulls. I still think this is gonna keep going, guys. I really do. Yes, currently rejecting off the 700s. Where is the previous week value area high? Let's put this weekly back on. We got singles all the way up to 855. 837 is previous week value area high. So yeah, there's a big chance of a recovery here. Big chance of a recovery. Big chance of a big recovery here. I still think this market's going to push higher, guys. I still think it's going to push higher. If it gets above into the 700s, we've got a chance of getting above 830s. We really do. Believe it or not, we really have the chance. If we can get above and stick above 700, we definitely got a chance to get up into 837s, guys, and maybe even above it. Right now it just keeps rejecting off the 700s. Still a key resistance. I think if it's going to stage a recovery, this is kind of needs to start moving right now. I don't really want to see it back into this fair value gap here. I really want to see it take off. Might not though. Right now 700 is key resistance. I just can't see the market letting off these shorts at 630s. Where is them shorts? Yeah, 630s. That's where the shorts are. They won't have closed out yet. It's not enough punishment. Market will have to at least get to 800 before you, before real punishment. I think the market really has to see about 800 for them to really close out their shorts. Bitcoin has just collapsed. Completely collapsed. And keep pushing up. Struggling at that 700 though. Really struggling at that 700. Right, we've got a new 30-minute candle just open. It's opened aggressively to the upside. Maybe this is it. Can it push past 700s? Struggling again at the 700. Yeah, nothing at the minute. Unable to break past. Yeah, still struggling. Orderflow is bullish, but there's definitely a seller sat at 700 absorbing. Yeah, this is not looking good for bulls. Unfortunately, this is not looking yeah, it's not looking too good. It's got to really take off here, because if it doesn't, it's going to get slammed back down. Right, they're trying to move it now. Right, can I get above 700s? Trying again. This is like the 5th attempt. Getting rejected again at the 700. This is crazy. There's a big seller. There is a big seller, guys. He's not letting the price go past 700. He's really not letting the price go past 700. How long is that fucker gonna keep absorbing? He's absorbing a hell of a lot of fucking long trades. Yeah, he's absorbing and he's fucking pieing right now. Right, another attempt. Can they break? Can they break the 700s? That's the key line. If they break it, there's a move to 800. Getting rejected again. Yeah, this don't look good, in all honesty. This looks like it's going to trade back down. Yeah, this looks like it's going to get smashed straight back down, guys, in all honesty. Bears are starting to come in. All right. They're trying again. And getting rejected again. Amount of shorts, amount of longs getting squeezed here is insane. Multiple rejections of the 700, you can see. Look at this. I think the bulls are going to run out of steam here, guys. And trade back into this fair value gap. Yeah, so be careful if you're long. It's going to drop back to the 590s quite easily. Trying their best here, the bulls. Really trying their best. rejecting off the 700 once again. And they crack it. They're trying to hold. Oh, Trump's on, okay. And they crack the 700s. Can they crack the 700s? Still not convincing. No, it's not very convincing, this move. Okay, short squeezing a bit now. All right. Okay, into the 1020s. 730s. All right, there's a move clearly to 780s, 790s here. Can the bulls hold 700? If they can, big move on to the upside after this period of consolidation. Right, they're trying. Yeah, but not really that convincing to me yet. They're going to shoot straight to 800. It's not a very convincing move. Trying to turn bullish, but I'm not sure if they're going to be able to. Market needs to hold this 700 level. Really need to hold this 700. No, not looking good. Can they hold 700? Alright, they are holding. Alright, they're going for it. Yeah, bit difficult to call here. They need to hold 700. They're on thin ice here, in my opinion. Okay. Yeah, it keeps coming back though. There's no real strength so far. Alright, 730s. $734s. Keep pushing. Don't turn back now. Yeah, go. Keep pushing, don't retrace. Trust me, you don't want to come down here. Straight rejection. Yeah, this is gonna, I think, gonna come down. Back towards these 580s, 570s here, the way this is looking. My order flow's frozen out. Yeah, this is struggling to hold the 700s by the looks of it. These wiki candles are not really good, but they're pushing. Let's see what Trump is saying. Okay, he's working on avoiding a shutdown. All right. So he's saying some good shit. Iran president of the region with the Emirates of Qatar and Pakistan. PM Iran, Qatar and Pakistan call for diplomacy to ease the tensions. Okay. All right. Yeah. What a day, guys. What a day. What a crazy sell-off. One, two, three, 4 days worth of price action in one day sold. And yeah, we took that 530 trade. Got about 90 points on it. Got smashed up throughout this sell-off. 160 points. Blew a lucid EVA as well. But yeah, at least we got 90 points recovered from about 160 points. So we're down probably around 70 points today. We're down about 70 points on the fundeds, which is all right. I think considering we've had about a 600 point sell-off. What is this? Where did we open? We opened here. Yeah. 640 point sell-off. So to be down 160 points in a 600 point sell-off, to be down 90 points overall on the day, I would say that's all right. That's fine, because not every day is going to be like this, right? You're not going to get a 600 point sell-off. So yeah, we're all right. Look at this midpoint, the VIX, bam, rejection. Yeah, that's why the VIX is so important. That's why the VIX is so important, guys. Okay, we're still under midpoint. We're still bullish. We're still okay. That's why I'm still hoping for a reversal back to the upside and this VIX to come back down. But we shall see. All right, so yeah, that's the summary of the day. I hope you guys were able to stay out of danger. I'm pretty sure some of you got, obviously, you must have got smashed as well. But on a day like this, it's all about damage limitation, and I think we've done an okay job in regards to that. Okay. So yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a day, guys. I don't think I want to lose any more points. Yeah, Team Crypto, it happens, man. On a day like this, yeah. No worries, Team Crypto. On a day like this, it's gonna happen. Yeah, very unpredictable sell-off. Very, very unpredictable sell-off. I didn't quite expect a 600 point sell-off coming into today, in all honesty. Yeah, tough one, tough session. Market's still trying to hang on to 700s. But it looks like it might just give it up, guys. Looks like it might just give it up and come back into this this fair value gap. Yeah, I think that's what's going to happen here, guys. I really do. I think it's struggling to hold 700s. It's going to end up losing this and then coming down here, and then that will be maybe a lower, higher low. But to me, it just looks like it's struggling to hold the 700s. I think it's going to come down. Yeah, I don't think it can handle the 700s right now. I think it's going to come down. They're trying to hold it. They're trying their best to hold it, the bulls. It's a battle here. But I think they're going to lose this battle again, like they've been losing all day. And then this will be the make or break for me. Can they hold that level? Yeah, it's under the 700s now. Yeah, getting really smashed now, guys. I think it could come all the way down to 580 from 690. That would be 100 odd point sell off, yeah, from there. Okay, back above 700. It's a real battle. Because if they lose this, it's gonna come down. All this, you know, there's so many bulls up here. There's so many bulls in this area. If they lose this, they're gonna come down. They're gonna get squeezed out. If it's gonna be bullish, it needs to be bullish now. They need to protect those bulls. They're doing it. They're trying. But yeah, guys. All right, I'm gonna be getting out of here. My prediction is still that it's gonna go down. We shall see. I still think we're gonna come back down into the 580s, and then we'll see what happens after that. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna shoot off, and I'll be back with you here same time tomorrow. Thank you as always for tuning in, and see you tomorrow. Bye.